Welcome to the class of knits. Let's see how do you make a pointelle structure. In a pointelle structure, you generally see these holes. This is a very beautiful design, uh, lace-like structure, and this is a single jersey fabric. You have arms on one side and you have heads on the other side. So this is a single knit. So let's see how do you draw a pointelle structure. There are many variations in a pointelle structure. You can have it in very fine yarn counts also. So on the machine, so this is your 0 point here. So you have to keep in mind this is your 0 point. This row, that's your 0 point. So this loop, you'll take this loop, which is your this loop, and you will put it either on the right hand side or on the left hand side. So what happens is this needle becomes empty. So this needle becomes empty. Therefore, when you knit, this will take a half stitch. But actually a pointelle structure is not about a tuck stitch. It is only about emptying a needle. Let's see how you go about it. So it just receives a yarn and makes a hole. Let's see the next course. Now adjacent to this, so you will put this loop here and this loop here. So this is on the machine and you can just do a similar. So can you see how it started taking the shape of a V? Inside it just makes a tuck stitches. It looks like a tuck, but it's not a tuck, because it becomes an empty needle. Therefore it just takes the yarn and it creates a hole. Can you see this? So you can create these holes like that, right? So you can have these holes. Okay, so after this you can start going inside. If you want to make the start going inside. This is how you draw the stitch notations for a pointelle structure. So you can see the row of holes here, row of low holes here. So you can do smaller also, you can do bigger designs also. If you have any doubt, you can write to saroj.bala@pearlacademy.com. Thank you.